Welcome back to another brief video from John Kleis Car. My name is Max and today we're sat in a VW Scirocco, about 2016, and we've upgraded the old useless head unit to have Apple CarPlay, wireless and Android Auto are wirelessly working as well. Here is a quick show on what it looks like. As you can see, my phone is already hooked up to the system. That's obviously done by Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth, but it looks all nicely fitted in there. We've got a nice flush fit fascia, so there's less layers in the fascia. We find that is the tidiest way to install these head units. And we've got Apple CarPlay on this lovely, very responsive 7-inch screen, which is very nice and easy to use. I can access my phone, my maps, my messages. I can go on my music. I use Tidal for music personally, but there's lots of different apps like Amazon, Apple, and many others. Wireless Apple CarPlay, much nicer way of using the phone while driving. If you don't know about it already, then come into the shop because it is honestly an amazing thing if you own a smartphone, which is pretty much everyone these days. This is a home screen of the Kenwood. It does have DAB built into it, so all your usual DAB stuff is inside here. Choose your channels, save them in down the right hand side, and you've got about 15 presets that you can select from. If you have a reverse camera, we can retain that. If the car's factory parking sensors, we'll normally keep that working. If I was to reverse up to a wall, you'll see some red, yellow and green lines. When you come out of that, it will come out of that and back to your radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, whatever you're using before. But maps, music, messaging, what else could you need while you were driving? Obviously this has got a steering wheel control, so you can skip tracks, turn the volume up and down. All of that works just as it would have done on the previous radio. That's it. This is a VW Scirocco. It's had a new Kenwood 8021 head unit. If you like what you see, get in touch with us and we can fit this in your car. Thank you very much.